there, welcome back to my channel. So as I have mentioned in the last video, I'm going to continue talking about the perfumes that I got from the Philippines. So last time it was Bench. This one, it is Tupperware Philippines. So they have body sprays available as well, aside from containers, as of what they're known for. By the way, these are not sponsored. So I have here Fruity Bloom range. I think they have a lot of variety, but I only have 3. I think these 3, ito yata yung finisher nila sa, ano nila eh. I think these are the popular ones. This is the Raspberry Lavender. These are in 250 ml. They have Blackberry and Bay. This one is my favorite, as well as with my girls. And then Carnation and Fig. If I'm not mistaken, original price is 399 pesos. But usually, they always on sale or naka-promo sila. So, they're way cheaper. And then, the other one is Sparkle. Pink Diamond. So, ito may iba't ibang ano din to siya. Variety. So, this one is a bit pricey than the other 3. 499 in original price. But again, if naka-promo or sale, then you'll get it in much affordable price. So, this one is also in 250 ml. So, these body sprays are similar talaga sila sa Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, yung mga ganon, but more fruity yung scent nila. From the name, sa range nila, Fruity Blooms. So, this one, Blackberry and Bay. This one is very sweet. Blackberry, and there's a bit of spiciness in it. I think ang Bay, kukuha mo yung Bay dito, which I like kasi may twist siya. Aside from being fruity, meron din siyang a little bit, konting spiciness. So, ito yung favorite ko among the 3. And I think I know why gusto ko siya. Na it reminds me of Britney Spears' Midnight Fantasy. Yung nasa blue na bottle. Gusto ko yun. Although sometimes it's very, sobrang tamis ng amoy nun. So, parang siyang pag masyadong mainit. I don't know sa Philippines if okay. Pero ito naman kasi body spray siya. Medyo hindi naman, light lang siya. Hindi siya strong as yung perfume talaga. Pero pareho siyang amoy nung Midnight Fantasy ni. Kung familiar nyo yung perfume na yun, I think it's similar. Quite similar. Kung hindi naman yun, napaka sweet fruity yung amoy niya. Yung parang matamis na berry talaga all the way. Wala siyang sourness. Kasi minsan pag fruity may sourness na konti. Ito wala. Like sweet all the way siya. Pero meron siyang a bit of like spice. Ay yung bay leaf. Nakukuha mo yung bay na amoy dito. Which I like. Di ko alam nga sa so ito namang isa. Si Raspberry and Lavender. Ito may pagka-fresh. Hindi siya masyadong sweet in fairness. Parang mas kukuha ko ang lavender dito. Parang shampoo yung amoy. So, ito clean smelling eh. Parang fresh lang. Maganda siya for sa Pilipinas na mainit yung panahon. Parang bagong ligo, yung ganun, amoy shampoo. Kung wala akong nakukuha masyadong hindi ko masyadong makuha yung raspberry na smell. Wala akong masyadong makuha fruity scent. So, unlike dito, this one is not so sweet. More shampoo smelling, fresh. Mas lavender siya kaysa sa raspberry. So, ito naman, si Carnation and Fig. Ito, medyo ko dito, curious. Ang ganda ng niya. Hindi siya usual na color, green siya. Tsaka Fig, Carnation. How does it smell like? Ito naman, para siyang candy. I'm glad na iba-iba talaga. Teka lang, natin muna ito siya. Para hindi tayo malito. I'm glad na iba-iba talaga yung amoy nila. Nadidistinguish mo talaga yung kaibahan. Kasi yung iba kasi halos magpare-parehan na lang yung amoy. Pero ito, iba-iba talaga sila. This one parang candy. Yung mga fruity candy nung bata ako na nabibili ko dyan. Parang yung pineapple candy, yung mga ganun. Fruity na candy na may pagka-fresh din siya, na may pagka-mukhang parang shampoo din yung amoy niya. Itong dalawang to, fresh smelling sila, parang shampoo. But mas may pagka-candy lang to. Ito talaga sobrang tamis. Kung gusto mo yung talagang sweet na sweet fruity, ito. Ito siyang si Blackberry and Bay. Very sweet and medyo spicy. Pero kung ayaw mo naman ng matamis, so maybe stay away ka ng konti. Itong dalawa, parang fresh lang siya. Parang shampoo smelling. Okay. Actually, yung tatlo, okay sila. Ganda yung amoy nila. Good for i-alternate mo silang tatlo. Then lastly, ito si Sparkle. Pink diamond to siya. Marami to siyang variant din. Ito, pink diamond yung nasa akin. Sabi dito, sparkle with this light mist of oriental gourmand notes to keep you scented. Pink diamond. Ito naman, super sweet din niya. Pero unlike ito, super sweet, pero gusto ko siya. Carry naman siyang gamitin. Pero ito, parang ano, ewan ko, nakasakal, headache inducing. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto, yung pagkaano niya, matamis niya. Parang di siyang candy. It's like a very sweet lemon candy. Parang yung MAC sa atin, yung yellow. Ganun yung naalala ko sa kanya, amoy. Parang may pagka-citrusy siya. Pero very, hindi, I can't say na fresh smelling siya. Parang malagkit. So, sweet citrus siya. Pero yung citrus niya dito, hindi yung fresh na lemon o fresh na fruit. Parang yung na-candy na rin na lemon. Ganon. So, ito yung least favorite ko among these four. So, ito gusto ko siya. Tapos ito, and then last. So, that's it. That's my thought on this body spray from Tupperware page. So, thank you for watching. See you again on the next video.